Happy morning, line friends. I am line Annapareddy Kotreddy, immediate past district governor. Today, I would like to say something to my recently elected presidents, secretaries, and cabinet members appointed by my district governor elect, like Dr. Puttagunda Satish Kumar, because I received calls from some of the line friends with regard to become the champion leader. So, my dear young lines, so if you want to become a champion leader, you should always remember 3 points. One is to smile. Start your day with a smile. That gives you positive atmosphere. And not only that, that gives you a positive affirmation. And that makes others also feel very happy. So always begin your day with a smile. Always learn to smile when you look at your colleagues, when you look at line friends, when you look at people. Always smile. And not only when you smile, it spreads positive attitude around you. Not only that, and it will also give a good exercise to some of your muscles that are present there in your upper and lower jaw. So always try to smile. That should be the ornament to a personality. Always smile. Learn to smile. Then the second aspect is to prioritize. That is very important. What to do, what not to do. What should be done in the beginning, and that urgent and important. So that is Stephen Covey theory. And you must remember what is to be done. And you must write what has to be done. And then you think whether it is important, unimportant. If it is important, is it urgent or can be delayed at the end of the day? Like that, you have to introspect, you have to analyze, and what are the things to be done. Point number one. After you have written to-do list, then you have to examine by yourself what are the important things among them. And after that, out of the important things, what should be done in the beginning, what should be done as the first one. So that is urgent one. So always analyze, always separate the things to be done from your list, basing on the urgency, basing on the importance. So that should be the plan. This is very, very important point. Always learn to say no. Learn to say no. So that is, to say yes is a human weakness. When you are working or when you are doing something seriously, your friend comes and requests you to go to somewhere else. Your friend comes and requests you to go to the movie. Your friend comes and asks you to accompany him for shopping and so on. And keeping your work aside, and you move along with your friend. So you are deviating from your pathway of becoming the leader, that is a champion leader. So the point here is why you have left your work and why you have followed your friend is because you are not able to say no to your friend. So, and you have an obligation to follow your friend that what you feel. But please remember, whenever you have a work, whenever there is an urgency, and without any fear, without any inhibition, try to say no, try to say no. So tell him frankly, so I have a lot of work to do, and this is not time for coming out, and could you please excuse me, whenever I'll get a free time, I'll accompany you, but today it's not possible for me. A lot of work has to be done. That has to be completed at the end of the day. I am sorry. So I can't come. Please, could you please go? Such type of saying no is essential for a leader. If you go on following each and every person, if you go on saying, yes, okay, let us move, let us go, let us do that thing, keeping all your work aside, you cannot complete your work and you cannot achieve your goals. You never become the champion leader and you never become the best of the best leader. So the first, always inculcate a habit of saying no whenever you have work. Suppose if you have a free time, and then you may accompany your friend, doesn't matter. But when you have a work at your disposal and don't mobilize your friend and say no to them, then only you will be able to get success. Then only you will become the champion leader. So always remember these 3 points. Always try to smile, try to prioritize, and always learn to say no. Then you will become the most successful leader. You will become a champion leader. You will achieve your objectives. You will achieve your goals. And at the end of the linistic year, you will become the best president or best secretary, or you will become the best cabinet member. Wishing you all success. God bless you.